Hey guys, welcome to VTishAcademy.com. In the previous video, we have discussed about algebra. So here in this presentation, we are going to discuss about algebraic expressions. So first, let us know what is an expression. So here, an expression can be defined as a single or group of terms combined with the symbols plus or minus. Now let us consider few examples here. So here we have two expressions, 7 plus 5 and 24 into 7. So here, if every term of an expression is a constant term, then we call such expression as a numerical expression. Similarly, let us consider another example over here. So here we have two expressions, say 4x, and the second expression is 4 by 3 x square plus x minus p. So here we have these two expressions. So here the expression containing at least one algebraic terms, that is variable terms, we call this expression as a algebraic expressions. And these algebraic expressions are categorized according to the numbers of terms in it. For example, we have two expressions over here, 7x and the second expression is minus 5 divided by 6ab. So here, if expression containing only one term, then we call it as a monomial expression. And similarly, we have the another example over here, say 7x plus 5. So here, if the expression containing two terms, then we call such expression as a binomial expressions. Let us consider another example. So here we have 3x minus 3y plus 5z. So here, if an expression containing three terms, then we call such expression as a trinomial expression. So let us consider an example over here. Now let us learn what is the degree of algebraic expression. So here we have an algebraic expression 7x cubed minus 4x square plus 3x plus 2. Now let us find the degree of this expression. So here we have the degree of the first term, that is 7x cubed, as 3, as the power of x is 3 here. Similarly, the degree of the second term minus 4x square is 2, and the degree of the third term 3x is 1, and similarly the degree of the constant term is 0. So here among the degrees 1, 2, 3 and 0 of the four terms, the greatest number is 3. So here the degree of the given expression would be 3. Now let us learn how to find the value of an algebraic expression. So here let me explain this concept with the help of an example over here. So here we have, if x is equal to 4, then find the value of an expression 2x plus 5. Now let us find the value of this expression by substituting the x value in the expression. So here by substituting we get 2 into x, that is 4 plus 5. And here we get this expression as 2 into 4 as 8 plus 5. And by adding this we get 8 plus 5 is 13. Now let us solve another example over here. So here we have, if a is equal to 3, b equal to 0 and c is equal to 4, we have to find the value of a square plus ab plus bc. Now let us substitute the abc values in the expression. We get a square, that is 3 square, and here a is 3 and b is 0 plus b is 0 and c value is 4. So by simplifying this we get 3 square as 9 plus 3 into 0 is 0, and here 0 into 4 is 0. So by adding this we get 9 as the value of the expression. So this was a basic introduction on algebraic expressions. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to VTishAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.